Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this spiraling text effect on Adobe Illustrator. So go to text and add in like a text. I'm just going to type in the word spiraling a few times. So copy and paste that. And then at the end, add like a space. Like that. Right click, create outlines, and then I am going to go to object and then I'm going to select expand. Go to the paintbrushes and add it in there. Select art brush and press OK. Go to method and then select tints, press OK. Create like a circle shape here and you're going to reverse the colors. Select the scissor and cut off one of the anchor points here. Select the circle and then select this. Then go to the select this and then you're going to either select this one or this one, whichever one you want. Just going to select this one. Go to object. Go to effect, go to distort and transform, and then go to transform. For the horizontal and vertical, I'm just going to do 80% on both. Then I'm going to do some copies, maybe like around 10 or 20. It's totally up to you. Then you can kind of rotate the angle to make it like spiral a little bit. I'm going to add in more because that looks a little bit plain. Oops. And I might do 90 instead of 80, or if that's too crowded you can like adjust it. It's totally up to you. And just rotate the angle here. I'm just gonna leave it at 0. This one, don't do anything and just press OK. And that is it. You have your spiral text effect on Adobe Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!